There are different quality tools which are used, like the advanced product quality planning, or the control plan, FME, SPC, and PPAP is one of them. Full form of PPAP is Production Part Approval Process. First article inspection is a part of PPAP. If it is, say, any manufacturing company where they are manufacturing some article, when they produce their first piece or the first article, okay, they inspect it. We are calling it as a first article inspection because we will be inspecting the first article which is produced or manufactured using the same production process which will be used for the mass production of that same material. At all the MRC very strictly, all the specifications which are given, there will be some tolerance limits which are specified, because even in the MICs, you know that if it is a measurable MIC, then we can specify the tolerance range, how much is allowed. So when we are doing the inspection, then the results should be within the tolerance limit, okay? And all the MICs are tested. If all are okay, and the UD has been done, then it is approved that they can start the manufacturing in bulk. Okay, before that they don't start the base, because if they find any defect, then in the remaining all material you will get that same defect, right? So that's why on a very first piece only you are doing the inspection with the very strict rules, okay? And you will be doing the setting in the system that the first piece should be inspected. Okay, and this inspection is different from the other one, because normally what we do is good receipt inspection we do. And this good receipt inspection is either from the production department or from the purchase order. Okay, so you will get either 01 inspection lot are getting triggered or 04 are getting triggered in the good receipt inspection. And we use the inspection plan with the usage of 5 in both the cases, right? So here in the case of first article inspection, the inspection plan will have the usage of 51. Suppose I want to procure a material in bulk and my regular vendor is not able to fulfill that requirement, and I have to buy that same material from new vendor. At that time, I want to do this first article inspection. If I want to trigger a lot for the first article inspection, let's see what all configurations are required. And even the master data need to be properly maintained then for that particular vendor. In QCC0, enter in the QM in logistic, QM in procurement, you need to define a control key. For the QM in procurement, click on this. Here I can create a new control key using reference. Suppose if I select, say this, and click on copy as, here we can specify whatever is the control key name. Let me keep it, say Z01. The short text, whatever is required, suppose supplier is released and certificate required, first article inspection. Okay, here I'm selecting certificate is required, and we are keeping it as a warning here in the message part. And I'm selecting here create a new inspection lot, and in FAI usage first article inspection plan, the usage I'm specifying as 51. Okay, and press enter key, click on save, continue. Let's go back, and if you want you can create your new inspection type, and then if you're creating a new inspection type, then you can assign it to the inspection lot origin. Details of inspection type 01. If I'm selecting, say, inspection type 01 because I want to use this only for the good receipt inspection against the purchase order. Usage is specified as 5 and notification type is F2 here. the origin for the inspection type, we should always specify that origin 01, we have different inspection types like the inspection type 01, which is a good receipt inspection for the purchase order, even 0101, which is a source inspection. If we are doing it at the vendor place, that also comes under the 01. And if you're creating your own new inspection type, then you prefix it with Z and then you will be assigning it under the origin. Multiple inspection type can exist under the same origin. By default in standard SAP, 01 variant will be picked. So let's go back and even the default settings can be maintained. So for the inspection type, if I select 01, click on display, these are the settings which are maintained for it. Okay, save it. Let's go back and /n mm02 enter. This is the material presenter key quality management view in the inspection setup. I will be activating suppose inspection type 01. Click on activate and then if you click on details, it will show you the details for the inspection type. These are the settings which are coming from the configuration just now we saw. Post to inspection stock is selected, automatic assignment is selected, MICs need to be inspected, task list will be used and automatic QD skip is allowed. Okay. And even the sampling procedure, if you want, you can assign it here, continue. And I'm selecting QM in procurement active. This indicator, if you select, it comes at the client level. And if there are multiple plants, then we have to assign the QM control key for each plant. If I click on save, it will give you the message that error message that you need to specify the control key. So I can specify the control key, which I have just now created as Z01. I'm selecting that. And in the certificate, since we have specified that certificate is also required, I can specify one certificate here, press enter key, and then save it. Assign the QM control key for the procurement. I need an inspection plan with the usage 51 and even with the usage 5. So let's create a inspection plan first for the same material. /n QP01 enter and the material is this, plant is 1000. Press enter key and I'm first creating the inspection plan with the usage 51 which we have assigned in our control key of the procurement to be used. So 51 I have selected and status should be released, which is 4. Okay, continue and go to the operation. I can specify the control key as QM01 and some descriptions. Select this and go to the inspection characteristics. Here we can assign the MICs to be tested. If I want to use it for the first article inspection, I might be assigning multiple MICs, 10 MICs, suppose if I'm assigning here, and whereas normal inspection, then half of that might be tested. Okay, but simplicity purpose, I am keeping only 3 MICs here. Let me search the MICs which we can assign. Let's take QM, MIC, and T1. Press enter key. We can assign the sampling procedure to be used. I'm assigning the same. Okay, it is a qualitative MIC T1, so we need to assign the catalogs also for this, and I can select any one catalog out of it, enter. Since it is for the first article inspection, then I can do the 100% inspection. Okay, so I can remove the sampling procedure here in these indicators. Okay, And even in this, if I remove the sampling procedure indicator, continue, press enter key and then click on save. So I have created one inspection plan with the usage 51. Let me create a new one. So the plant is 1000, enter and click on new entries. This time the group counter is 2. I am entering the usage as 5, which is for the code receipt. Okay. And the status is 4. Press enter key, go to the operation, specify the control key, enter some description, select this, go to the inspection characteristics. I am assigning only 2 MICs here. Okay. Press enter key and here I can enter the sampling procedure to be used. In the previous case, I have removed the sampling procedure. But here I have assigned the sampling procedure inspection plan where I have used the usage as 5. Save it. So I have created an inspection plan. Now we will create a quality info record for the same material /n QI01, enter. This is the material and the supplier and the plant. Press enter key. And here I can specify the release date 30. Press enter key, and I'm not entering any extra information like the quantity and all here. You will get the source inspection, which inspection type you want to trigger. So I'm selecting say 01, which is a good receipt inspection for the purchase order. And select this checkbox source inspection no GR so that no further lot should get triggered. A few other things like PPAP, which is a production part approval, process required or not, and here the status is there, which is at present not required selected. If I want to change it to say new or the in process, I am not able to do that because at present it is disabled. Okay, so we will see this thing later. So far I have just assigned 01 inspection type here in this, and even the release date I have specified for the material and the vendor and the plant combination. Save it. So my quality info record is created. Create a purchase order for this /n ME21N, enter. And my supplier is say this header level information I am entering for this. My material is this, and the quantity I can enter say 100. I will keep it small. I don't know, summarized recording is there or not for all. And the plant is 1000 and the storage location is this. Press enter key. I can enter some here. Enter. Check it once. Okay. And then click on continue as it is just a warning, and then click on save. The document number will be generated, and this is my document number. Let me copy this document number. Control C. We will go to the Fiori. Because just now you saw in the quality info record, I am not able to edit few things. So if I go to manage quality info record, you will get the tile. Select this. And I can enter my filters like the plant is 1000 and my material is 1141. And my supplier is say, or if I could click on go, because there is only one record. So this is the one, okay. Double click on it, it will open it. Find multiple tabs like the release date, it is same that we have maintained 34 as a release date. Then the description, it will take you to the description part, and inspection control. We have specified 01 inspection type, and in the production part approval, Here you will get this same thing which we just now saw in the quality info record, which was not in the editable mode. Okay, and I want to trigger a lot for first article inspection. Click on edit so that it will come in the editable mode. Then you will go to production part approval and you will click on this enable. You will be able to enter the information here. In the PPAP level, as per the requirement, you will be selecting out of these options which one you want to use. Okay, let me select say warranty only one. And here now it is in editable mode, PPAP status. Just now you saw that it was previously not required was selected. Let me select say in process in this. Then you will click on add. Here you can either search the purchase document or you can paste the purchase document number which we have just now copied. Okay, press enter key and then you can see it is showing item 10 and the valuation code is not valuated. If you want, you can assign or link the documents. Like if you click on upload, you will be able to link the document from here. Okay, so and then click on save. Again, either I can do it from here only. If I go to say Migo from here, enter, it is giving me two tiles. One is post codes movement. Select this. I can select say code receipts against the purchase order, and this is my document number, purchase document number. Okay, press enter key or select this. I can select item OK out of this. And since we have specified that we need a certificate, so I can acknowledge that I have received the certificate here. Check it once from here. It's green and document is okay. Click on post. If I go to the display mode, this is the document number. Press enter key. Inspection lot has been generated and the stock is in the quality inspection. If we check the detail of the inspection lot, origin, you can see it is 01 and inspection type is 01. And if you check inspection specification, you can see the usage it is picking up as 51, which is for the first article inspection where we have assigned 3 MICs in that. If you want to see the details, then click on this. It will take you to the inspection plan where we have assigned 3 MICs to be tested. Okay, without any sampling procedure. So let me go back. Let me open it here because it will be faster. /in QA32, enter, and if I execute it, so this is the lot which is created. The origin is 01 and the inspection type is 01 with the usage 51. Let's create one more, ME21N, enter, and using the same supplier header level data, I'm entering the information for this. Material is this, quantity I'm entering, say this time 40, plant is 1000, storage location I'm entering, press enter key. Okay, and then check it once, continue, and then save it. So the document number will be generated and this is the number which is generated. If I do the Migo for the same, /in Migo, enter, and let's go to code receipts against the purchase order, Control V, press enter key, and then click on item OK, and then click on okay. Let me specify that I have received the certificate also. Check it once and then post it. I go to the display mode for this document number. Then again, the stock will come in the quality department. Okay, inspection is expected. And if we check the inspection lot detail, inspection type 01 is triggered, and in the inspection specification, this time the usage is 5 instead of 51. Okay, where we have assigned 2 MICs. Let's go to our QA32 report. Refresh it. So if I haven't entered the results for this, where the first article inspection is required, okay, and if I try to do the result recording and the usage decision for this particular second lot where the usage is 5, let's see this, okay. So, or if I directly do the usage decision for this, it is giving me that you haven't completed all the characteristics. Of course, it is a post QD because I haven't entered the results at present. But here you will get the warning also if you click on this message that the first article inspection for this material with the supplier this is not yet done. Okay, because we haven't done the result recording and the usage decision for the lot which was with the usage of first article inspection. Okay, so let me go back, and if I first clear this one, okay, select this and go to the result recording. Summarized recording, I can enter the specification. I'm just entering the acceptable values here in this. Press enter key, accepting it. MIC status has been changed to 5 and then save it. Refresh it, it is inspected, and select this and go to the usage decision. Select accepted, and in this we can tell the quantity to be moved here. At present, if we check the stock, it is showing me 50 quantity in the quality. Okay, let me go back. So I'm clearing this pen and then save it. Let me open MMBE report again. Execute it. So now it is 40 remaining. Previously it was 50. Okay, let me refresh it. So now it is removed. And if I try to do the usage decision for the second lot directly, then there is no warning. Previously there was one warning message. Okay, but of course it is giving me that it is a forced UD because I haven't done the result recording and the quality info record for this /n QI02 enter, and let's go to the change mode. Now if we go to the inspection control, you can see this is selected now. PPAP required, which is a production part approval process is required, and status it is showing me as in process because we have selected in process. If you want, you can make it as completed because all the values were within the range, and now you want to make it say completed. Then from here we cannot again change it. We can go to again the tile if I want to make it completed. So we will go to again manage info record. Quality info record is coming, and here I can again enter my plant filter, which was 1000, and my material was 1141. Okay, press enter key, and then this is the record. Select this. Again, we can go to the edit mode, and in the production part approval, you can see now it is accepted. The valuation code it is showing me. If you want, again, you can add another purchase document number if you want, and keep the status as in process only. Then the next lot which will be created with that particular purchase document number will get the usage 51. Or if I make it say completed, that I can do, that I can change the status to completed and then save it. Okay, then the status will be changed to completed. And we can complete the result recording for the same. And again, I am accepting it, suppose. Press enter key, accepting it, and then save it. Refresh it, it is inspected, and then we can do the usage decision for the same. I'm accepting it, stop, I'm moving it to the unrestricted. Press enter key and then save it. Refresh it, so it is removed. Now if I want to see which lot is first article inspection lot, and suppose if I enter the origin as 01, my material was 1141, and select all the lot, click on execute. So it is showing me 2 lots. Okay, but if I want to see which one out of this is the first article inspection lot, okay, one is 620 and 622. Let's go back and we can enter the filter for it. So in the dynamic selection, if I select inspection lot, here we will get the option created for first article inspection. Select this, and here I can select created for first article inspection F, and then click on execute. So it is now showing me only one record. And if we check the details for this inspection lot, let me go to the display mode, and in the inspection details specification, you will find that the usage is 51 for this. Okay, and stock you can check now, it is in the unrestricted whole stock because we have moved the stock to the unrestricted. Go to quality info record, enter in the inspection control. Now the status is completed. Okay, now if I create another lot, /in ME21N, enter with the same combination. Okay, and this is the material. Let me keep the quantity 15, plant is 1000, and the storage location is this. Press enter key and then click on save. So this is the number which is generated, and if I do the MEGO for the same, /n MEGO, enter, and we will go to code receipts against the purchase order, and this is the number. Press enter key, select item OK, specify that you have received the certificate. Yes, check it once and then post it. Now if I go to my QA32 report again, let's enter and execute it. So now the new lot has been triggered, and this lot will have the usage 5. Where we have assigned only 2 MICs to be inspected. MM02. In the inspection setup, we have activated inspection type 01. Same inspection type, we have created 2 inspection plan, one with the usage 51 for the first article inspection and another with the usage of 5 for the 01 inspection lot. And that thing is controlled from the control key Z01, which we have specified. The supplier should be released and the certificate is required. From this, if we go to the help of it, if I click on control key, it will take me to the configuration, and here in Z01 control key, we have selected first article inspection plan usage should be 51.